All right, let's go ahead and get started. I apologize. I think a couple of us missed the meeting from last week. Is there anything important that from last week we should cover today? Okay, I'll take that as a no. And Justin, I just saw your message about the topic Ben brought up. Ben, do we want to discuss this in this meeting? Because I don't see any agenda anyway.
Yeah, let me throw it in because I think it actually technically is not ambient. Well, it's yeah, that one is also not ambient related. So it's a question of do we want to bleed non-ambient stuff into this? But I can pull it up.
Okay, let me ask, does anyone have any ambient related topic?
Yeah.
First. All right, John has one topic. So John, why don't you go ahead?
Yeah, so I just opened this to add kind of the first status writing for ambient. We had a lot of things we wanted to write for status and ambient. This is just the first attempt. If people want to take a look, I don't know that there's much to talk about here.
And refresh my memory here. What does writing status get us that we don't currently have?
It's just debugging.
Okay.
To understand what's going on.
So actually look at the thing and see if it's bound or not. Okay, the binding.
Yeah,
status.
like if you look at the example, maybe you'll find it compelling, or maybe not. Specifically the waypoint accepted.
Okay. So you can, and that's, yeah, I guess we don't, that's true. I guess we don't really service that anywhere else. It's particularly useful, or not many other places. Okay, makes sense.
And so what resources are you adding in addition to service entry?
Right now the PR just says service entry, but it would definitely have service as well for this status. We could add more in the future, but I was just doing a POC to keep it small, so.
Okay, got it. Well, this is certainly extremely useful, I think.
John, do you know if this also happens to fix the issue with the analyzer not being able to write status?
Because of the lack of any status message, you mean?
No. There was, when we changed...
Hold up, I have to drop off, sorry.
Oh, sure.
Keep going though, Ian. What was the issue?
Oh, there's an issue. Jeremy's working on it, I think, where if you had enabled writing status and analyzing, and you have a bad service entry, yeah. Thanks, Jeremy, for posting the issue. That can cause IstioD to panic, and since this successfully writes status, I'm guessing it potentially causes that. So, or fixes that rather. But if it doesn't, I don't object to this going in. So it's maybe relevant or related, but we don't necessarily have to resolve it here.
Okay, that's interesting. I'll put it as a reference in the notes. I actually didn't know Atlantis can write status to service entry.
Yeah, I'm not sure actually how many people would use that combination of features, but it is there and it is presently broken. So
Okay, thank you for bringing that up. Do we have any other topic related to ambient? All right, I think Ben, your other topic requests John anyway, so if John is stepping out, probably good to defer to next meeting.
Next week.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, same. That makes sense. That's what I would
Okay.
say.
All right, that's good. All right, so should we wrap this up or anything else we should be discussing? All right. All right, thanks everyone for joining and talk to you soon. Bye.
Thank you.